Hi everyone! Maybe this is the only video on YouTube that shows really how someone can make money per click. In the title you see $4.18 per click. It's real, it's what I did. By the way, you can make way more than that if you follow up carefully. But here on my channel, number one rule is honesty, so I'm sharing with you exactly what I did. Without wasting more time, let's start together. Welcome again, I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm so happy to publish this new video where I will show you how you can make money from Google. Before we start, I have small 3 points for you, 3 important points. Number one, in this video we have a big giveaway. Last week we announced the biggest giveaway, $1,250. Today we have a new one. So if you want to join, make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video. Number two, if you know the method explained in this video, don't go away because I will share with you some tips and I will give you some resources to help you increase your earnings and make more money from Google. I prepared something so special for you, so keep watching. Number three, if you like the video, if you want to watch more videos about digital marketing, online business, making money online, and much more, please don't forget, subscribe now to my channel and turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day. So let's start together and answer firstly this question. How Google makes money. When we know how Google makes money, we can take a portion of its revenue. So let's start and see how Google makes money. If you go now to Google here and search for example, best hosting services, you will see that the 4 search results are ads. So Google here is showing ads. Those companies, HostGator, Top 10, HostAdvice, Contabo, those companies are paying Google to show these ads, and you can see they are paying up to $22.49 per click. To get a click, they are paying this number to Google. Another example, if you go now to a website like Search Engine Journal, you will see that Google is publishing ads on this website. So also companies like STM, like Moosend, paid Google to show those display or banner ads on other websites like this website, Search Engine Journal, which is one of the top websites out there talking about SEO, digital marketing, and much more. Anyway, so Google will get paid to show ads. That's simple. And according to Statista, Google made in 2020 $146.92 billion from advertising revenue. So why not to take a portion from this revenue? I think now the idea is somehow simple. So Google will charge advertisers to show ads on search engines and on other websites showing display or banner ads. Okay, simple. Before we continue, it's time for the giveaway. Today we have a new $500 giveaway for 5 winners. So everyone will get $100 cash. If you want to join, check the link in the description below. Click and join. Let's now close this and this, whatever. Now how you can take a portion from this revenue, how you can make some profit out from Google Ads. Simply, you can be the publisher. You can create a website like this one and publish ads from Google. And what's nice, Google will give you up to 68% of revenue. Really a very good number. If you want to see my earnings, for example, let's go Google AdSense, open my account. You can see today we are still here, 1:34 p.m. I made $30 so far. Yesterday, $71. If you go here to reports, you will see that last 7 days, 81, 76, 86, 75. So it's really a very good number in terms of earnings per day, working from home as a total passive income. You publish things and you sit down and relax. And by the way, this balance here is not from one website, it's from different resources, YouTube channels, and so on. Anyway, let's now focus on how we can make money per click. So simply, let's go to my website, one of my websites, hsupertools.com. If you are following me, you know hsupertools. If you are new here to my channel, hsupertools is a free SEO and digital marketing tools platform that I developed. It's totally free. Go and check it right now. You can see here on my website, I publish Google ads. You can see this ads by Google, ads by Google, ads by Google. So Google pays me 68% of the revenue that is generated by my website, which is $30 for now today, $71 yesterday, and so on. Okay. Now I know you may heard before about Google AdSense. Maybe you are working with Google AdSense, but please stay tuned. I will share with you some special resources and tips that will help you skyrocket your earnings and make a lot more money per day from Google AdSense and reach numbers like $4 per click, maybe more, maybe $10 per click. Please stay tuned and follow up. Now, according to Google, if you open this page here, I will keep it in the description below. There are 3 types of websites that have quality AdSense revenue. If you go down here, number 1 is a blog site. Number 2 is a forum site. And number 3 is a free online tool site. You can pick any of these 3 website types. I will show you now what each means. Or you can create a super powerful AdSense business by combining the 3 types. How? In my case, I have hsupertools.com. You can see this is called a tools website. Here we have a free online tool site, a tools website. And by the way, I explained in detail how to create a tools website and monetize with Google AdSense here on my channel in a full free course you can find in the description below. Number 2 is a forum site. If you go here to heducate/forums, you can see I have also a forum here. So I also utilized forums in my business. And a blog site. If you go here to heducate/blog, you know, if you are following, I have my blog and I can monetize with ads. Also, a couple of months ago, I started a new website. Now it's called inquicksticks.com. I published this website and now it's monetized and ready with Google AdSense. You can see this website here. Here we publish small book summaries so anyone can read a book in 10 minutes. It's really an awesome website. Go and check it right now. And by the way, soon I will publish a full free course on how to create a website like this and how to apply to Google AdSense and ensure to get acceptance, 100% acceptance, and start making money. So stay tuned, follow up, subscribe, and turn notifications to get every new free course published here on my channel. So you can see here, I utilized and I used the 3 types of websites to get the maximum amount of revenue from Google. So I have a blog, I have a forum, and I have a free online tool. Now in your case, you can go with only one of them. It's up to you. You can pick one and start a blog, maybe a forum, and maybe a free online tool. And next week, I have a full free course also on how to create a full forum, how to start, how to promote it, how to monetize it, and much, much more. So stay tuned also. Now we will start the real part. How you can reach $1 per click, $4 per click, or more. Please focus very well from now on. It's very important. And I will try my best to make things really super simple. Number 1, what you are going to do is to go to Google here and open a Google Sheet. Let's open Google Sheets, blank, and here we are. Here you will write keyword, here you will write CPC, and that's it. Let's make it bold. That's it. So now you need to fill this table with keywords with high CPC related to your website, related to your niche. How? Here it comes, step number 2. You need to create a list of websites, competitors that talks about your niche. As an example, in my business, my website is about digital marketing and online business. So if I go here to search engine journal, let's say this website is something similar, publishes similar content. So I can get this website and save it. Let's say here, save this website. So you'll create a list of sites that talks about your content. The second step is you need a keyword research tool. Go here, open again your browser and go to semrush.com. Don't worry, you can start a free trial for 14 days, totally free. You can test and collect the full list of keywords to use in your website. So just use the link in my description to get trial period and sign up. And now simply I will get this domain and paste it here. Just paste the domain here and click on search. And scroll down, you will see the top organic keywords. Click view details here and you will see now a list of keywords with CPC. So these are keywords used by this website and you can see the CPC here. Just copy the ones with like more than $1 or more and add to your list here. So enter the keyword and the CPC and start collecting keywords with high CPC. Now, the bomb. To help you, in the description below, you will find a link to download a full table. You will get my special table, this one, with up to 3,000 keywords. 3,000 keywords with very high CPC. You can see here, CPC is up to $100, $200, $90, $80. And each you will see the search query, which is the related topic. You can filter with this topic and the search volume. You can get this table totally for free and use these keywords in your website to skyrocket your earnings and earn a lot more with Google AdSense. You can get this table totally for free and collect your own keywords and try to get the best keywords that fits your website. So this is the main step, is to collect high CPC keywords. By the way, you can go here to H Super Tools, SEO keyword research tool. It's totally free. You can write a topic here as an example. Email marketing, select the country you want to target, say search, and you will see now like email marketing has $52 as CPC. So it's a very good topic to target. Also, you can get a lot of related keywords with CPC here. Also, you can collect from H Super Tools. I want to give you now another tip. Let's say your website is about dog training. Let's say like this. Search. You will see now that dog training in the US has only $2.89. What you can do is search for related high CPC keywords. Example, dog insurance. The word insurance has a very high CPC. So if you say dog insurance, search, you can see now it's $13. You can write about dog insurance in your website and so on. Usually anything related to insurance, finance, marketing, and those topics and making money and so has a high CPC. So try to link your topic with those high CPC topics to increase your AdSense earnings, your Google AdSense earnings, and get more per click. Now, if you go here to my dashboard again, to Google AdSense, you can see that the best CPC I got in my whole journey on Google AdSense is $4.18. So I got per click, I earned per click $4.18 and it was at February 22. And always, every single day, I do researches, I add more content, I do some tests to increase my CPC. You can see that last month, the best CPC I got is $1.54, which is also good, $1.54. So 50 clicks means $50 per day. And this is what I'm getting per day. If you go here to reports, you will see that per day, let's say last 7 days, I'm getting around 86, 75, 76, 81, 47, $71. So it's an average of $70 per day with the power of high CPC keywords. So you have to do this. Get my table, my free table, collect some new keywords, pick up the high CPC keywords and start targeting these keywords in your articles. So in this way you can get more traffic with SEO and increase your earnings with high CPC keywords. If you want to know more about Google AdSense, how to start from scratch as a beginner, you can check my 2 free courses here on my channel, and stay tuned for my upcoming full course, maybe next week or in 10 days, where I will show you step by step how to make money from Google AdSense and how to reach $50 per day as a guaranteed revenue from Google AdSense. Please, if you have any questions, don't forget, go to hdk.com/forum, submit your questions. Please don't forget also to join our Telegram channel where we can chat and discuss any topic you want related to our videos so we can help each other. Subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, like the video, and see you in the upcoming videos.